Hello, and welcome back to another video. In this video, you'll find out how you can edit PDFs for free with PDF24 Tools. If you're looking to merge multiple PDFs or edit PDFs, but don't want to do it yourself, then this is how you can do it by using PDF24. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and let's get into this. First of all, go over to your Google browser or any other browser that you're using and search for PDF24 and click on the first link. You'll be directed to the main page where you can download the tool for your PC by clicking this big download button. If you want, go ahead and do so, but keep in mind you can edit PDFs using this even without downloading the software. So scroll down and you'll see all the different PDF editing tools on PDF24, such as PDF Merger, Splitter, Compressor, Editor, Signature, etc. You can see all the options and find the one that you want to use. For example, let's say I want to merge multiple PDFs together. So click on Merge PDF. And here, I just need to upload the PDF files. As you can see, the files are uploaded now. All I got to do is click this Merge PDF button, and in seconds, I've merged document of my PDFs that I can straight up download. You can create a PDF job application with this too. Just click on the option, and now you'll just need to upload your cover letter, CV, and any attachments if you want, and you can create a job application PDF in seconds. You can add up a signature by going into the option and uploading your PDF, which will take you to the PDF editor. Just click on this option from the top bar, and here make your signature or upload the picture of you sign, and boom, you have successfully signed your PDF. Same goes for simple editing. You can add in texts, images, or any attachment from the top bar to edit your PDFs. That is how you can use PDF24 free tools in order to edit your PDFs. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this.